Eddie Ladd, and I'm inviting you to Owain Glyndŵr Silent Disco. What is Owain Glyndŵr Silent Disco? Silent Disco and all your favourite tunes and club classics as a soundtrack to Owain Glyndŵr's life. So, start of the rebellion. The alliance with France. And the end of the rebellion and the disappearance of Glyndŵr.
We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar.
Silent Disco will be at 4 for real castles: Beaumaris, Conwy, Caernarfon and Harlech. And it won't be an ordinary silent disco. You're going to be divided into 2 sides. Sometimes you'll hear a voice in your headphones directing you. Attack side A. Run away from side B. They won't be able to hear what you can hear, but you won't be able to hear what they can hear. See you there.